Included in this bundle: 1. Florida Laws and Rules of Professional Engineers. 2. Florida Professional Engineer Ethics. 3. Florida Advanced Building Code. 8. The Edition. 4. Lead Green Associate Exam Prep. 5. Soil Characteristics. Lowest price guarantee. Show us a better price and we will beat it by 10%. Elevate your engineering career with eCertify's 18-hour PDH package for Florida professional engineers. This course meets continuing education requirements to help you maintain your PE license. Benefits: 1. Fulfill PDH requirements for Florida civil engineers. 2. Enhance your skills and career prospects. Key features: 1. Earn accredited PDH hours. 2. Learn from experienced professionals. 3. Complete the course at your convenience. 4. Engage with interactive materials. Who should enroll? 1. Civil engineers in Florida needing PDH for license renewal. 2. Engineering professionals wanting to update their knowledge. Certification: receive a certificate verifying your compliance with Florida PDH requirements. Enroll now to advance your expertise.